Hi, I'm Darren. I'm a director at Prototype Electronics, and we've been manufacturing electronics for over 15 years. Built on a foundation of fast turnaround prototypes, the company is scaled by staying true to our core values: quality, flexibility, and a customer-obsessed attitude across the business. And these are values that are installed into all of our people from day one. So we understand the real world and the challenges that our customers are facing. We get that designs evolve, changes are necessary, and perfection can't always come first time. And all of our staff buy into this, and it's that value that underpins our success.
Many of our people have decades of experience in our industry. Their knowledge and expertise you can't teach. That enables us to have a perfect balance of experience and youth, which enables us to be well informed, but it also allows us to be fresh and creative.
We worry our name suggests something different to the business we are now. It was relevant 15 years ago, but now our SMT lines can handle up to 65,000 placements an hour, and we place millions of parts month in, month out.
Quality isn't just a priority for us, it is the foundation of our entire operation. We have invested heavily in cutting-edge inspection technology. Our flagship AOI and X-ray systems give us the reassurance that every product that leaves here is built to world-class standards. We're more than a PCB assembly provider. We deliver full solutions, from cable assemblies through to box builds and complete system builds.
Our people are the most important part of our organisation, which is why we invest in making sure we have a great place to work. We have a dedicated team of people who are responsible for organising events throughout the year, with our main aim being bringing our people together, strengthening relationships and building friendships that last.
Prototype Electronics isn't just another contract manufacturer. We're a long-term partner. We scale with our customers, work through challenges together, and deliver solutions you can trust.